My name is Wiam Labeskaghni, and I come from a company called SOM Survey Instruments. And today, I'm going to speak a little bit about the importance of accurate geospatial information in the BIM world. Who here in this hall has developed a project or a drawing with accurate geospatial information? Show of hands. Yes, right at the back there, here and there. Great, guys. So we're going to validate if you're actually speaking the truth throughout my presentation, and I'll ask the question at the end. So as technology evolves, accurate site capture becomes even more critical to the BIM workflow. Let's look at this beautiful building behind me. Imagine a crumbling foundation. Do you think that this building will sustain or last a long time if it had a bad foundation? Never. And that's exactly the same with a BIM workflow. Because accurate information is actually, accurate geospatial information is the foundation of the starting point of a good BIM workflow. All right, today we get a lot of different tools, from great AI workflows to software that will blow your mind apart and will make your project look incredibly pretty. But accurate geospatial information is the starting point of your BIM workflow. So, what is geospatial information? It's simply put, the ability to locate something on the surface of the earth. And all of you actually use geospatial information on a daily basis, and I'm going to prove it to you. Let's say I like you a lot, and after this conference, we're going to go to have a coffee in a place in Johannesburg. How are you going to get there? From here to there? Google Maps. Uber is a bad choice, but anyways. So yeah, 100% correct. You're going to use Google Maps or Waze or something that will help you to get from point A to point B. Am I right? So how does geospatial information then work when you look at Waze? It's simply a coordinate, a known coordinate at starting point that goes to a known coordinate at the ending point. All right. And that is the basis of inaccurate geospatial information. But if we work with our phones and we say, hey, this building, the corner of this building, according to my phone, should be plus minus here. And John, my colleague, also using his phone, comes and says, hey, but the actual building corner is supposed to be 20 meters to that side. So that is inaccurate geospatial information. And the sad part about that is one of us is going to be wrong, or both of us. All right. And that brings me to the next topic, relative accuracy. Who of you has ever designed a project that you're really proud of? Who of you wanted to show your parents, your colleague, your wife, and really impress them with this beautiful piece? It's like the Picasso of your life. You really wanted them to experience it. And the moment you hit the export button, it plots in the middle of the ocean. Have you experienced that before? Hey, it's my crowd. Okay, so that is all relative accuracy. Okay, but how do we change that from a relative accuracy into an absolute accuracy? And that is where accurate geospatial information actually becomes important. And that is why it's actually the foundation of any BIM workflow. All right. So now we know we don't want our buildings to plot in the middle of the ocean. We want them to plot in the correct geospatial location, right? So how do we achieve that? How do we start the project with success? It's actually so simple, by establishing accurate site control. So there's amazing technology out there, and I will speak about them maybe after the slide. But a site control is purely a 12mm peg that you drive into the ground, or a manual that will be there for the duration of the project. So you want to establish site control that you can use throughout the duration of your entire project. Whether it's the engineer getting on site, wanting to verify something, the architect wanting to look at the same point, or the surveyor pointing it out, even the construction manager. Everybody needs to speak the same language. And that is why accurate site control is so essential. Because when you go to a point, you don't want to say, oh, this is the manual, and that guy says, no, this is the manual position. Everybody should be working on the same control system and being able to plot the exact same points. All right. So, in today, we're very fortunate because there is a mountain of technology that helps us actually achieve this, that helps us to achieve accurate geospatial information in our BIM projects. Some of the basic solutions up on the screen is a GNSS receiver. It's something that we supply as a company as well, but it helps you to get satellite information and give you precision on site, which means there is repeatable accuracy. Every time somebody visits that same site, if they have a GNSS receiver, they log onto your control on site, they'll be able to pinpoint the exact asset 25 years from now. And that's what we have been speaking about asset management early in the morning as well. Following that, there's drone solutions. A drone solution is an amazing piece of technology that really enables you to capture large sites super fast and super efficient, as well as GPR technology. Who of you have ever heard of a construction site or somebody arriving at a construction site, starting with the project, but then they hit a power cable? Yeah, it happens, nah? Yeah, or they start to dig, and the next moment, nobody's got internet, a fiber cable. Yeah, the famous fiber, nah? So all of that stuff can be avoided by using accurate geospatial information, by using the solutions, the correct solution for the problem, and making sure that the foundation of the BIM project will be a success. So that was my quick introduction about accurate geospatial information. But us as a company, as SomSurvey Instruments, we pride ourselves in providing the correct solution for the correct problem. And we partner with people in helping to establish the workflows that is important for you to achieve that. So if after this day, if you would like, we have 2 exhibition stands. Come and speak to our team and see how we can really help you to achieve success in your next BIM workflow. Thank you.